Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about how to upload documents for Bluevine credit approval. Submitting the right documents is a key part of getting approved for a Bluevine credit line. Here's how to upload them correctly. First step, log into your Bluevine dashboard. Now go to the credit line section and open your application. If Bluevine requires documents, you're going to see an upload documents prompt. Go ahead and click on it. Now review the list of requested files. Common examples include recent bank statements, tax returns, or profit and loss statements. Click Choose File and then select the document from your computer or mobile device. Make sure files are clear, complete, and in the correct format. Upload each document one by one. Double check that the correct files are attached. Click Submit to send them securely to Bluevine. You can also monitor your email for confirmation or additional requests. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.